Did you know that crypto funds just hit a record high of $167 billion in assets under management? That's not a typo. That's the largest amount ever recorded, and it's happening right now, in 2025. So why is this important? Because it's not just retail investors getting back into the market. It's institutions, big money, hedge funds, pension funds, and traditional asset managers are all buying in. In fact, over $7 billion flowed into crypto funds in the last 6 weeks alone. That's more than we saw in the previous 6 months combined. So, what's behind this surge of capital? Two big reasons: ETFs and diversification. First, let's talk about ETFs, specifically spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs. These products make it easier for institutional investors to gain exposure to crypto without managing wallets, private keys, or exchanges. That convenience is opening the floodgates. Second, global markets are unstable. U.S. equities have been volatile, bond yields are underwhelming, and inflation is still a concern. Institutions are looking for alternative assets to hedge risk, and crypto is once again on the radar. But what does all this mean for you? Institutional money is a double-edged sword. On the one hand, it brings more liquidity, more credibility, and potentially stronger price movement. When smart money flows into the market, prices tend to rise, and early investors can benefit. On the other hand, it adds volatility. Big institutions can enter quickly, but they can exit just as fast. That creates a risk for smaller investors caught in the swings. So how do you play this smart? Stick with coins that institutions are watching: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and strong Layer 1 platforms like Solana or Avalanche. Avoid hype coins. Focus on long-term fundamentals, adoption, utility, and ecosystem strength. Keep an eye on AI-powered crypto projects and tokenized real-world assets. These are areas that institutions are just starting to explore. Early exposure could be a major advantage. If you want the full breakdown on fund flows, institutional moves, and what to watch next, head over to crypto101.com. The article is linked in the video description. Before you go, let me ask you this. Do you think institutional money is good or bad for crypto long term? Drop your answer in the comments. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more crypto insights. New videos are coming every week. Thanks for watching. This is Crypto 101, Crypto Simplified, Wealth Amplified.